Welcome to Crypto Gems. In this video, we'll be talking about Defi, which stands for Decentralized Finance, and we'll be going through some of its advantages. Later, I will show you some Defi tokens such as Luna, AVAX, Uni, and of course, Cake, in order to know more about them. Please stick to the end of the video and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and luckily for you guys, I will be putting all the links in the description below, in addition of the time lapses of each section in the video.
Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. The video is only for informational and educational purposes only.
Before starting with discussion on Defi pros, it is really important to understand what is Defi. The term Defi actually points out an acronym for Decentralized Finance. It basically refers to the assortment of blockchain-based applications offering peer-to-peer alternatives for conventional financial services and institutions. The recognition of Defi has been growing profoundly in recent times, as a result of which it has been drawn in substantial volumes of capital. The promising aspects related to Defi discussions points out to effective observation of the advantages and disadvantages of Defi. Defi aims at improving the accessibility of financial markets to institutional investors. At the same time, Defi would also work on the creation of new investment opportunities that can take the concept to new levels. In order to achieve the benefits, Defi solutions rely largely on the fundamental traits associated with blockchain technology. So today we are on coinmarketcap.com, which is the site that you go on to see all the informations and details about any coin out there. So we have here a lot of categories, trending coins, biggest gainers, and recently added coins. And here we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, but we are only interested today in the Defi tokens. So you go here near categories and NFT, we have Defi. So you press that button and it will show you only the Defi tokens out there. So the best Defi token out there is Terra or Luna, and if you press it, then it will show you all the informations about the Luna token, including the price, which is $86, nearly $86 per coin. And here, this red box right here, it shows either the coin went up or down. So if it is red, then it went down, and if it is green, then it went up. Here you can see the coin market cap is $31 billion. The volume went up by 26.29%, which is insane in the last 24 hours, and it is $3.5 billion, and the circulating supply is 362 million Luna. If we go down a little bit, we can see here the Luna price statistics. You can see all the details about the coin, including the price change, the 24 hours low and 24 hours high trading volume, market cap, market dominance, market rank, and everything. And here, which is really interesting, because you can see the chart. You can see here, see the daily chart, and if you press this button, 7-day, you can see the weekly chart, then the monthly chart, then the 3-month chart, and the yearly chart. And if we go down a little bit, you can see here the Terra markets, where you can buy this coin. So the best one out there is Binance, KuCoin, Huobi Global, Binance again, Bitfinex, and Bitfinex. So here, if you don't know where to buy this token, you just go on CoinMarketCap, you press the token, and of course, you go down to Terra Markets or that coin and search for the best market out there, and you just press it and you go to that site and buy that coin. Okay, so also, we'll be going through another coin, which is Defi, and then we'll go through PancakeSwap, this coin. So PancakeSwap or Cake is another token or Defi token that is really interested, because they have a whole exchange site that we'll be going through next. So as always, you can see here the price, which is $12.21. It went down by 7.59%, and if we go down, we can see the daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, and yearly chart. And you can see here the Cake price statistics. As always, the price change, traded volume, the market cap, and market rank. And if you go down, if you don't know where to buy this coin, you can just go on Binance, KuCoin, or Gate.io. So guys, I'm now on PancakeSwap.finance, the official site of PancakeSwap or Cake. So what is PancakeSwap? PancakeSwap is the clone of Uniswap, built on top of BSC to offer fast and inexpensive trading experience using BEP20 tokens and the BSC to Ethereum or Ethereum to BSC bridge. PancakeSwap is cheaper and faster to use than Uniswap and SushiSwap. The reason is that PancakeSwap is built on Binance Smart Chain, a high-speed blockchain built by Binance to compete with Ethereum. So as you can see here, the price per cake is $12, 12.159, and if you press this button you'll see all the languages. If you press this button you will connect your wallet in order to buy and exchange in this site. If you go down a little bit you will see some statistics about PancakeSwap.finance. So 2.8 million users registered in the last 30 days, 31 million trades made in the last 30 days, and $12 billion were staked. So what does staking mean? Staking mean it's like a passive income. So for example, let's say that you have 100 cake or 100 token or whatever. So if you stake them, then you won't have access to those coins. So you won't be able to sell them or buy, I don't know, like you exchange them. So if they went down, you won't be able to sell them, but you will be getting some compensation from the site as an interest rate that goes from 5% to 20%, which is insane because you cannot get that interest rate even in banks. So if we go down here a little bit, as you can see, the site is really interactive, really cool, and as always I will be putting all the links in the description below, so make sure you check the description and like the video, of course. If you press this button you will be able to trade. If we go down a little bit here, as you can see, it's like a passive income. Like I said, staking means passive income. If you go down a little bit here, which is really cool, because PancakeSwap has a prediction section. So for example, let's say that you expect the coin to go up. So you place your prediction, and if your prediction is right, you get some extra cash. And they have also a lottery feature. So if we go here, buy tickets, you will be able to buy tickets, and the prize pool is $132,000. So for example, you buy tickets, it's like a lottery, you buy tickets with numbers, and if the winning tickets have the same number as yours, then you win the prize. It's really simple, but really cool, because not all the sites have this feature of lottery or this feature of prediction. If you go down a little bit here, then you will see like the total supplies, some more information about this coin, the burn to date. So for example, you have 100 million of this token, but there's this burning feature. So there's this address that people can send some tokens to it, and like there's no access to these coins. So for example, if you have 100 million tokens and there is someone that burned 10 million tokens, there's only 990 million tokens, so for sure that it will go up in price. Yeah, that's it. If you want to have more information about the site or PancakeSwap, you can go check their Twitter, their Telegram, their Reddit, Instagram, GitHub. So guys, as a summary, we went through what does Defi mean, some of its advantages, and we saw some Defi tokens such as Cake, Luna, AVAX, and Uni. And I explained what is Cake and how does the PancakeSwap exchange site works. Of course, you will be finding all the informations and all the details with sites and time lapses in the description below. So thank you again for watching this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to give us a like, make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our channel Crypto Gems, so you can get other great content like this one that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thank you for being here. Goodbye.